also been smiling at people and I feel like a freak because it's like I'm trying to make eye contact, smile. I am feeling so nervous, like sickening. Like my stomach is like in a knot. I'm freaking out. Guys, I made a friend. Good night though. Okay, so for the last couple months we've been traveling and I've been a bit lonely, especially because I've been like making videos by myself. So I'd actually like to make a friend. I'm currently in Chiang Mai. I have this event on Friday. Today is Tuesday, the 13th. And I have an event on Friday, like a creative thing, right? But I feel like it's not enough time to cultivate something good. You know what I mean? Like I'm gonna meet them and then I have to leave 6 days later. So I think today I'm gonna like see what I can do. Like in the meantime, I'm gonna try and like have a smile on my face. And I'm gonna greet people. I feel really awkward about this, but I don't know what to expect. Might be a complete failure, but like I'm hoping to at least meet somebody. You know what I mean? Like I have met like passerbys over the last 4 months, but I feel like I want to like create something more concrete. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so today's my first day trying. So you guys will actually know the result and I don't know the result today. So what would you tell me today when I'm feeling so scared? And awkward and nervous. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm also gonna try and go to a coffee shop and I'm gonna check on Facebook groups where there's like meetups and bookshops. I like books, so maybe someone also likes a book. I'll go there too. So cool. This place is so cute. But I don't need anything. So I'm not gonna buy it.
On the balcony, no one else is home.
Hey guys, so I came to like the organizers of the event's spot, like in the old town, which seems to be a dead end. So what has happened is like they just rent, like the event is just renting a room. Not that the place that they're hosting it is part of it. Yeah, this is just like a coffee shop. It's like a Japanese sandwich place. I don't know, but I don't know. The food looks good, so I ordered something. I've also been smiling at people and I feel like a freak, but I'm gonna continue. Because it's like I'm trying to make eye contact, smile. Yeah, it's looking grim. Like I'm feeling grim. Sorry, it's a really busy street. I'm still waiting for my cable. I've ordered one. Hopefully my audio will improve in the next video. Oh, I'm out here trying. I'm out in the streets trying. I'm trying to look approachable. Any tips? Hey guys, so I went to the bookshop and I've been trying to smile at people. I mean, I get some back and then I get reassured, but it just feels like it's really hard to meet people on the go because I think they have things to do, you know? But everyone's just waiting for a friend to like pop by or like, you know? So that has been like disheartening, I must say. But I think I'm just gonna not give up. I'm still gonna smile and try and be approachable and greet people if they make eye contact with me. Okay, but I'm checking like if there's other groups that I can join on Facebook. Like I saw one. I'm pending. It's called a Video Content Creator Chiang Mai. There we go. Video Content Creator Chiang Mai. I hope they accept my request. Because yeah, I don't know how else to meet people. Also, like when I was in the bookshop, like I got so distracted by the books and then I forgot what I was doing. So it's feeling bleak, and like I feel like such a hypocrite for like judging like my friends who said it was hard to meet people. Now that I'm like an adult and like I'm not in this proximity to people that are similar to me, like I'm realizing that it is difficult. So yeah. It needs to be said. It needs to be said. it's Thursday. I've had actually a difficult day today. Just a bit emotional, a bit doubting of the self. But I do have an event in 30 minutes time. It's like a newcomer Chiang Mai event that I'm nervous about. But it's me putting myself out there. Still been unsuccessful. Unsuccessful on the friend front. Probably also getting to me, but it's okay. We still trying. So I have an event today and tomorrow. And I'm hoping something happens.
Okay.
Because
It's in the.
he Taiwan too wanted to. wanted to.
Guys, I made a friend. Good night though. It's late. Very late. Hi, I feel like I just have to check in. I am going to my first YouTube event today. It's Friday. I'm going in like 10 minutes and I am feeling so nervous, like sickening. Like my stomach is like in a knot. I'm freaking out. I don't know why. Yeah, so I hope it goes okay. Like I'm hoping to learn something and meet people. Like I don't know. I'm just so nervous. Like I think what I'm nervous about is like comparison because there can be like I think I'm just dealing with day to day on the internet. I don't want it to like poison the experience, so that I feel a bit worried about. I hope it goes okay. Like I'm gonna debrief you guys. I don't know if I'm vlogging there. I don't know what to bring. Okay, I'm freaking out hard, but it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be okay. Gotta go actually. Okay guys, I didn't debrief you, but it went really well. I learned a bunch of things and from then on I just put myself out there. Group yoga, attended my first Muay Thai match which was epic. There were fire dancers at some point. Even tried food I never thought I would.
I think it's better if you just eat the whole thing. Okay, here we go.
No, I don't think so.
It's easy. Like, right. We need a third.
What happened?
Third planets.
Alec, you're trying to laugh so much.
Honestly, not that bad. Not bad. Not that bad, right?
I mixed it into a
Hey,
Yeah, because before I can.
So we're currently at the Good Kitchen. It's Good Kitchen. This is Masako.
Hello.
She's from Japan. I'm really happy to have met her. She's really cool. Hey guys, so it's been several days. I'm feeling really ill. Actually, like I've been so sick with like a fever or something. But I do just want to like conclude the whole me finding friends thing. It was much easier to meet people by going to events where people are being met, like where people want to meet other people, so you all have a similar goal. I found that so amazing. So I used this app called Meetup that I discovered. I went to it and it was so nice. Like everyone is just so keen to like meet you. And it was so nice. And you can like do vibe checks. And I was really grateful for that. So that's a really good app to use, Meetup. Another thing I did was Facebook groups is key. And then once you go from Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, and then you can find all these things that you need. So I was looking to meet people, right? And then you like become acquaintances. But like I think the ultimate goal for me is to find like meaningful relationships. And the only way I was able to do that was by meeting the same people over and over again. So immediately after I met these cool, super cool people, I created a WhatsApp group and then I'd invite them to other events that were happening. because I joined the Facebook groups, I figured out that there was so much happening here in Chiang Mai while I'm here. And that was really awesome. And I was able to cultivate it, because I feel like for friendships, we need a lot of time. I was willing to, instead of meeting new people all the time, invest time into a few people, 3 or 4 or 5 max, invest the same time and get to know each other on a more deeper level. I find that more rewarding than just meeting new people all the time, which is also so fun and amazing. But then I feel like it can only be like surface level because you can only know someone so well after meeting them once. So anyway, I can't believe, like, in conclusion, everything worked out and that I actually found friends. That was what was like really amazing. Yeah, I'm really grateful that that actually happened. Yeah, I'm like not alone anymore. I don't feel lonely. And what's cool is like the people I met are traveling as well. So, and we're also quite flexible with our time. So it just feels like we're on the same page in terms of like meeting up again. Maybe we go to similar places and like countries. And yeah, it's been really, really, really amazing. And I'm so glad. And I hope that this video makes you guys feel like you can do it as well. From 0 to 4 or 5 good friends in such a short time. I mean, it's been like a week or so, but just consistently checking in on them and I'm trying not to put too much pressure, but obviously I get really excited about people and connecting with people. So, but it's okay. Like, I think that the right people will find you depending on what you need. And that's what I'm trying to tell myself in this journey. So, yeah, I just want to conclude it. It's been such a wild ride. I'm still in it. And I'm really glad that I put myself out there and made myself vulnerable because it's not that easy to do. But once you get the ball rolling, it's got to keep doing it. Basically, that's where I'm at right now. I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, I love you guys.